looks good, but this was a mistake that I did. Got him. What is up, guys? Got some bad news. Came up north with the boat in the water and I found this. So taking it back into town where I live to hopefully get someone to look at it. Till the meantime, these are the boats I got. I got a little motor over there, aluminum boat, but we're gonna take the paddle boat out. Hopefully catching a fish will help get through this week, I guess. Let's see what I can do. Just want to tell you guys exactly what happened with the boat. I stored the boat last fall. Everything was good. The problem is I left the boat like that. And what happened was water built up here, causing everything to push forward and break that bracket. Hopefully the positioning in here is okay. I don't see any cracks other than that. I'm taking it to a guy in Bradford, so I gotta get the trailer ready for the drive. It looks good, but this was a mistake that I did. I should have looked more into storing the boat. I didn't think it was gonna be that cold, but also I did not know that you were supposed to leave it down. I seen the other boats that had it up, and I guess it was my fault. I guess it's the things you have to deal with when you're like a new to boat owning, right? So this is the bearing carrier, which is right here. Your shafts right here that have your reverse and forward. There's a dog box right here that shifts from forward to reverse. I'm just hoping nothing shifts from there, causing it to break here. Because if anything shifts here, that means something might have bent. Let's hope not. But luckily I'm taking it to a guy that has all the parts. So yeah, guys, I was so excited to bring the boat out, to get the boat out of the garage to put in the water. I didn't even get that chance. After I seen that crack, the whole weekend just went poof. But luckily I still got a couple other options. I'm gonna take the paddle boat out right now and hopefully get some fish. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's kind of depressing, but it happens, right? Boat is bust out another 1,000, so that's what it stands for. It'll be back. I get to take it home now and actually put some more work into it. I'm gonna put the inboard battery charger. I'm going to do a new switch panel that has my live well and all that other stuff. So yeah, could work for the best. So I'll see you guys on the water. Peace. What's up, guys? I'm on this paddle boat because my boat, I messed up, you know. I don't know much about boats, and I should have did more research before storing it. I thought I was gonna have a good time with the boat, but I guess not. But you never know. Could catch a nice fish in this thing. It's looking like as soon as I cast. Wait. Make a couple pops. If someone's there, they will grab it. Here we go. Pop. Oh, here we go. Got him. Got him. Oh, no. Now this is how you get a hook in the hand. trying to help you. Can you chill? Here we go, guys. The first smallmouth of the day. I'd say about a pound and a half. Let's let him go. Bye, buddy. Gone. Guys, I wasn't recording, but this is the second bass I just caught. He was over some rocks, so sorry about not catching on camera. But yeah, second smallmouth bass of the day. Time to let him go. Got him. Oh yeah, got him. Another tiny bass. This is the scary part, guys. The whopper popper is a deadly lure, but it is also deadly to you. Right? Here we go. Third smallmouth. This one is actually full of mercury, so he's not doing too good. I'm gonna try to get some medicine for him. Maybe there's something that I can find that maybe I can apply to them. There we go. He's gone. I've been seeing some videos where some guys have been putting some purple spray on the bass. I don't know what that's for, but maybe there's something to help that. Hopefully I can help out a fish. Got it. Oh, that was a nice one. Oh, nice one. Here we go, guys. I hear my daughter calling for me. It's for you, Mila. Here we go. Number 3 of the day. Time to let him go. Even though my boat is broken, I'm still having a good day on the water. Fishing will cure it. So, here we go, buddy. Take off. Just need one bass that's really angry. One bass that's really angry. Just doing some far casts. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. First bass of the day. Oh yeah. First bass of the day. And let me tell you, this cures every problem right now. And just like that, this guy got some. Oh, what's wrong with your scales, buddy? But at least we broke the ice, so that's good news. Let's see. Come on, paddle boat, give me some luck. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got you! Look at you. Look at this. Here we go, guys. Number 2 of the day. Beautiful smallmouth. They have that beautiful gold color, black top. This guy looks good. He looks very healthy, buddy. What I love about the bass is they have this silver spot right here. It's like chrome, kind of like when you were. It's like reflective. But yeah, there we go. Time to let him go. Goodbye, buddy. Got it. Oh, I didn't even catch it on camera. That was crazy. He came for it 3 times. I will save you. Okay, so. Oh, thank God. Saved him. Number 3 of the day. This guy attacked it 3 times. I think my daughter's coming. She is. Yay, my family's coming to see me. And I'm gonna show them a fish.
Look, Daddy caught a fish. Look at me there, Daddy.
No, I just caught it right now. Let it go. Want to see let it go? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I saw so many snails.
Give me them.
You have to help me.
No.
Yeah, come.
No, you.
Come, Mila.
No.
Yeah, come on, Mila.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mila, say bye. Peace. My daughter just giving me the evil look because I don't give her snails. Got him. God. Oh, this guy's big. This guy is big. So here we go, guys. Fish number 4. Beautiful Muskoka smallmouth. Time to let him go. Forecast. Got him. Oh, I just had a tiny guy. Tiny guy, just had him. Just keep him. He's looking right at it. He's got it. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. Oh, he got it. He's right here. Oh, he's protecting the bed. Oh my God, I just had a fish. I just had a fish. He has no idea I'm here. God. Oh, this guy's big. Right off the bed. Right off the bed. Time to put this guy right back on the bed. So guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a bed right there. The biggest one of the day. Slipped out of my hands, but hey, it's back on the bed, so that's all that matters. Hello. Hi. Thank you. See if I hit the point of this island. What happens? Ooh, here we go. You ready, guys? Here we go. See? Just had one. That was a good spot. See if he hits it again. Come on. Hit it again. Got him. This guy's bigger. This guy's bigger. Oh, this guy's big. Got him. Let's get you safely released. Here we go. I don't even know what number that is. Bass number 5, I think, of the day. Beautiful smallmouth. Just hit the top water of the whopper popper. So there she is. Beautiful. I'm just about to come back to where I caught her, just in case she's laying some eggs, or he is protecting something. So time to put her back. Goodbye, buddy. Just had another strike. Here we go, guys. Let's see if it's gonna get it again. Got him. Got him. Sixth bass of the day. There she goes. So here we go, guys. here you go, guys. So there's a bed. Bed is right here. This is what I'm throwing. This is what you always throw a lizard. Oh, you got it, you got it. Hit it. He's circling. That's a big bat. There it is. Oh, big bite, big bite. Here we go. Big one coming. Oh, I just had it. He's eating it. Got him. Got him. And that, guys, is how I caught this bass on the bed. The bed is right here. I'm right on top of it. I'm going to put it right back just so he can protect. Goodbye, buddy. Let's get one last look of him. There you go, buddy. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Okay, guys, so bass bed is right over there. Just casting to it. It already attacked it. Look, he's going for it. Oh, he's pissed. Got him. Oh, I had him. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Oh, he's big. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I wish you guys can see what I see. He's right at the tip. He's going for it. Going for it. Going for it. Got it. Oh. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Bedfish of the day. Beautiful smallmouth. Now let's go bring him back. Beautiful smallmouth. Okay, guys. Here we go. His bed is right here, as you guys can see. I'm gonna leave him right here. So go back on the bed, buddy. Stay there. I am in love with this. Look at this. But this guy put in work. 2 bedfish and both of them attacked. From now on, guys, I'm gonna be using the lizard a lot more. Hope you guys are enjoying this. Just gonna work my way back. I'm probably gonna go swimming with my daughter. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Honestly, I love fishing, love the outdoors. Fishing has taken me away from a lot of the stuff I work at. I know the title of this video is really bad because of my boat, but I hope I made the best out of it. I got some good catches on camera, caught some nice bedfish. This just goes to show that you guys don't need like a bass boat to enjoy yourself. This little paddle boat was passed down from a whole bunch of family. All in all, hope you guys just get out on the water. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you.